All of our hard work for this moment. Will it boot? 3, 2, 1.
We gave Tech Tesseract just one day to build two very different PCs. One optimized for high-performance gaming, and the other for demanding creative workflows. 2 goals, 2 builds, and 1 shot to get it right live on the show floor.
What is up, guys? Tech Tesseract here at IGN Live 2025 here at the Intel Gaming booth.
We're going to be building some epic PCs right here live. We've got gaming builds, creator builds, all powered by some of Intel's best parts.
It's going to be a lot of fun. You're not going to want to miss it. Let's get into it.
Presented by Intel Gaming.
So we are going to get our first build kicked off here at IGN Live 2025. We have a couple of builds that we're doing this weekend. This first one is actually going to be a gaming-focused build, kind of like budget to mid-end, so great for people who just want something that's going to be able to smash games. We have here the Intel Core i7-14700K, and this is going to be paired with the Intel Arc B580. So yeah, really looking forward to this build. We're going for like a white theme. We've got a white Lian Li case that Nay is just bringing across right now. And yeah, I think it's going to turn out awesome.
This rig is for hardcore gamers who may want to stream on the side, so we prioritize fast cores, smooth encoding, and a clean look inside of the white Lian Li 011 Evo case. It's powered by the Intel Core i7-14700K, fast performance cores for high FPS, plus efficient cores to handle background tasks like streaming or recording. Housing our processor is the MSI Z790 Tomahawk, which is a solid choice for high-end processors.
So now we have our motherboard. All right, it's good, it's in there. We need to move on to our PSU.
Then comes the fun part, and by fun, I mean time-consuming, because who doesn't love running power and connecting the all-in-one cooler?
Cable management is very important. Want it to look nice.
And despite being elbows deep in a new PC build, Tech Tesseract always has time for connecting with fans.
I'm a big fan of you guys, your work. I saw the Atlantis one.
Wasn't it so
It was so cool. Intel CPU or the AMD Ryzen CPU? Do you have a preference?
For us, for productivity, we always use Intel. And recently we started using gaming with their 14900K. So that's in Josh's PC right now.
I've been using that for like the past, what, 2 years now? I think since it came out. So that's like my main like editing like workhorse.
Pairing it with the Intel Arc B580 graphics card keeps this build budget conscious, while still supporting modern features like ray tracing, upscaling to handle the latest immersive gaming, and visual effects. Just like that, our gaming PC build is done.
So it is time for our favorite part of building the PC, the most satisfying part, and that is the peel. So Nay, if you'd like to do the honors. Look at that, satisfying.
And now the moment of truth.
We are ready to turn on the PC.
All of our hard work for this moment. Will it boot? I hope so. 3, 2, 1. Wait. It wasn't switched on. 3, 2, 1. Yay. There we go. All right, high five, good job. All right, so we just finished building our first PC of the day. This is our gamer build in the Lian Li case, and I have to say, it's looking pretty nice.
Yeah, it turned out awesome. Yeah, we've got lots of RGB, and I actually think the black and white theme turned out really good. I am excited, though, to see the next build, which is going to be a creator build. How do you think IGN Live is going so far?
IGN has been great. We had this little kid that came up to us, and his dad said that he built his own PC, had to have been like 9 or 10 years old, and he built like an anime, I think it was One Piece, and I was just like, wow, that's crazy. He's gonna be better than us when he's our age.
Yeah, it's been awesome being able to interact with everybody. Lots of really cool stuff going on at all the booths, and yeah, we've had a lot of fun building these PCs so far. I'm excited for the next ones. Pull the lever, Kron.
Not that lever!
We're just about to get started on our second build of this weekend, which is actually going to be a creator-focused build. We've got the Intel Core i9 285K, along with the RTX 5080. And what color scheme are we going for this time, Nate?
So today we're going with an all black build. I honestly feel like most productivity setups are all black, so I feel like this will be great. So let's go ahead and get started.
Next up, the Gamer Creator build. This one's designed to unlock better streaming and performance and give creators and gamers the power they want and the efficiency they need. We dropped in the Intel Core Ultra 9285K, a 24-core beast that'll play the most demanding games, stream video, multitask, and encode video all without skipping a beat. And just to shake things up, Tech Tesseract invited passing fans to assist with the creator build.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
You're almost there. Yeah.
Holy cow. Yeah,
And
that
then
definitely feels like you're almost going to be snapping something in half there. You don't want to
And
do
this
that.
will just pop off like that, and then you'll want to keep this because if you ever decide to change out your motherboard, this shield will protect it so it doesn't damage the pins.
That makes sense.
So this is Dominator Platinum RAM Corsair. Really nice, super tall.
Yes, I think it's the tallest I've seen.
Yeah.
One of my buddies has a PC and he has it put away, and I'm like, why you have it? Man, it's so nice. They look so. I was like, you want it on your desk, so maybe not a huge one, but this is probably a pretty good size to it.
A lot of companies now have started like making the ends of these really bright colors because you want to make sure it's plugged in properly.
Yeah.
We push on it really hard.
There it goes. It recently came out with the option to 3D print little figures to go on your AIO. Oh my gosh, so many cables.
You know we had to go with the latest graphics card to ensure creators and gamers have the power necessary to create and game simultaneously.
When you're doing like a build that's kind of in a smaller case like this one, for example, it's usually better if you have a slightly thinner GPU.
We just finished our second build of the day. We're about to turn it on, see if it works. Are you ready?
I am ready.
3, 2, 1. Yes, look at that. It looks awesome. I really like the strip on the front. That's really cool, the RGB. What do you think of this build? Do you prefer the black or the white one that we did today?
See, I wasn't sure. I thought earlier, like, I would definitely prefer the white one, but now that we've built this, I think it looks super clean. I also like how small the case is. Did present some challenges because we had some issues with cable management because there's not a lot of space back there. But yeah, we managed to tackle all of that in the end, and I think it turned out fantastic.
So, what are we gonna do with these builds? 2 lucky IGN Live attendees are gonna walk away with these brand new PCs.
It's the end of the day here at IGN Live 2025. We've been having an awesome time, but let us know what you guys think of our PC builds down below in the comments.
And for any of your PC part needs, make sure to head over and check out Intel Gaming.
And if you guys want to subscribe to our channel, we're Tech Tesseract. Also subscribe to Intel and IGN. And until next time, we'll catch you in the next video.